Auto Review Pro, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Lamborghini, known for crafting some of the fastest and most luxurious supercars in the world, has now ventured into the world of motorhomes. This is not just any motorhome. It is a fusion of extreme luxury, cutting-edge technology, and the aggressive style that Lamborghini is famous for. The exterior design of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. It carries the signature Lamborghini DNA with sharp lines, bold contours, and an aerodynamic silhouette that screams speed even when parked. The front fascia is dominated by the iconic Y-shaped LED headlights and the massive hexagonal grille. The use of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum in the body keeps it surprisingly light for a motorhome while enhancing durability and performance. The scissor doors, a signature Lamborghini feature, make a bold statement, adding a sporty yet elegant touch to this massive machine. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine combined with electric motors, delivering an astonishing 950 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to go from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, which is almost unheard of in the motorhome segment. The all-wheel drive system ensures perfect grip and stability on all terrains, whether you are cruising on highways or exploring the mountains. The suspension system is adaptive, providing a smooth and comfortable ride despite the size and power. Step inside, and you are immediately welcomed into a world of ultra-modern luxury. The interior feels like a 5-star hotel suite, combined with the cockpit of a spaceship. Premium Alcantara leather, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting create a futuristic yet cozy atmosphere. The lounge area is spacious with reclining leather seats, a large, old smart TV, and a surround sound system that offers an immersive entertainment experience. The smart glass windows can tint automatically for privacy and adjust lighting according to the mood. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave, smart refrigerator, and espresso machine. Everything is seamlessly integrated with touch controls. The dining area can comfortably accommodate 4 to 6 people, offering a perfect spot for family, meals, or meetings on the go. The bedroom is designed for ultimate relaxation with a king-size memory, foam bed, adaptive lighting, and noise-canceling walls. There is also an attached luxury bathroom that features a rainfall shower, heated floors, smart mirrors with health tracking, and premium fittings. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. It comes with an AI-powered control system that manages everything from climate control, lighting, and security to entertainment and navigation. The massive digital dashboard provides real-time vehicle diagnostics, route optimization, and even integrates with Lamborghini satellite services for remote assistance. Safety is top-notch with features like autonomous driving assistance, 360-degree cameras, emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Solar panels on the roof help in charging the auxiliary batteries and running appliances without relying on external power sources. With a range of over 700 kilometers on a full tank, combined with electric power, it ensures you can enjoy long journeys without frequent stops. Lamborghini has truly redefined what it means to travel in style and luxury with this motorhome. This 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is an experience designed for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and luxury. If you are someone who dreams big and loves the thrill of owning something truly unique, this is your perfect companion for the road. Thank you for watching Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the most exclusive and exciting automotive content. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more amazing reviews like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community.